Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. So let's get started. First, open up your Cash App and head to the home screen. From there, navigate to the Bitcoin section. You'll usually find it under the Investing tab. Once you're in, tap on Send Bitcoin. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Just below that, you'll see how much Bitcoin you currently have available in your account. For example, if you're trying to send $4 worth of Bitcoin, make sure the BTC amount you're entering is within your available balance. If it is, go ahead and press Send. Next, you'll be asked where you want to send the Bitcoin. You'll see a field that says to name, $cash tag, or BTC address. This is where you'll paste the Bitcoin wallet address of the person you're sending to. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so make sure it's copied correctly. Once you've pasted the address, double-check that it's going to the right person, then tap on their name or wallet and hit Next. After that, Cash App will ask how fast you want the transaction to be processed. For this example, let's select the Priority option and tap Next. Finally, you'll see a confirmation screen saying you're about to withdraw a specific amount of Bitcoin. If everything looks good, just tap Done. And that's it, your Bitcoin has been successfully sent to the other wallet. And that's it, you are done.